So today, we're going to play Cheesecake Pop. Oh, my shoulders. Earlier, there was a Coke and a Pepsi. I found my twins. Anyway, let's play. Jesus Game. Also, this is a horror game. If you have troubles with your heart, do not watch this video. Time 1960. So basically, the rat looks like this. Yeah, so basically, that beautiful rat is Oh no, Patricia, don't eat me. I got big cheeses for you. Okay, Patricia, don't get me. I heard that there's like a glitch, so when you go here, the rat won't get you. I mean, Patricia won't get you. Yeah, red. Also, I actually remember all the doors, like all the key. How am I supposed to play if I don't have Wi-Fi?
Cheese.
I need to open the door so I have Wi-Fi. When am I getting done?
Cheese.
Stupid. What, mommy? Patricia, don't eat me. If you eat me, you're gay. I'm lagging again. Let me play. I want to play. It worked. Patricia, whatever you do not eat me. I am not food. Okay? Yeah, the video's ending. Bye.